Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a useful hidden Windows feature that can help remove malware and protect your PC without installing any third-party antivirus software. Many Windows users don't know that Microsoft includes a built-in tool called the Malicious Software Removal Tool, also known as MRT. This tool can scan your computer and help detect and remove specific malicious software. Let me show you how to use it. First, click on the Start button. In the Windows search box, type MRT. You will see Malicious Software Removal Tool in the search result. Click on it, and if prompted by User Account Control, select Yes. The Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool window will now open. Click Next to continue. Now you'll see three scan options. Quick Scan checks the most common areas where malware is usually found and takes less time. Full Scan scans all files and folders on your computer for a more thorough check. Customized Scan lets you choose a specific folder or drive to scan. For this demonstration, I'll choose Quick Scan. Click Next to start scanning. The tool will now check your computer for known malicious software. Please wait until the scan is completed. The scanning time will vary depending on the scan type you selected and the speed of your computer. Once the scan is finished, Windows will display the result. If any malicious software is detected, the tool will automatically attempt to remove it and provide details about the actions taken. Click Finish to close the tool. And that's it. This is a simple hidden Windows feature that can help improve your computer's security without installing any additional software. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.